Take a ride in the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated front seats, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.